Hey guys, welcome to the Craft Pouch. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy and simple greeting cards with just a few supplies. So let's get straight into the video. For the first one, take 2 papers of colors that you like. Here I'm going with red and yellow. Cut the red paper in 25 by 15 cm and yellow paper in 28 by 18 cm. Fold the yellow and red papers into halves. Now, take a pencil and draw a half heart on the edge of the folded side on the red paper as shown here. Using scissors, cut the heart across the line from both top and bottom, leaving a half inch in between so that the heart is still attached to the card. Now open the card and using your fingers, pop the heart out into the card and press it gently. You will now able to see the heart popper inside the card. Glue this red card onto the yellow one, leaving a half inch on all the sides. Here I am using a clear glue. Similarly, glue the other side as well. Now the card is ready. And for the decorations on the front side of the greeting card, take a red colored small square paper in any dimensions that you like and fold it into half. Then draw a half heart same as before. Using scissors, cut the heart shape out. I have cut a few more small ones in the same way. Now arrange these hearts onto the front part of the greeting card to have a pattern that you like the most. Go ahead and glue the paper hearts. I want hearts to look in 3D. So I'm just gluing the middle part of all the hearts on the card as shown here. And next, using a pen, write a message you like on the top of the greeting card. Here I'm using a metallic pen and writing a happy birthday message. Now the card is almost finished. One extra step I'm doing here is using stickers that I already have. This is totally an extra step. Hooray! 3D heart pop-up card is ready. You can write your message inside and you can decorate it as you like. For the next card, I am taking a blue paper with dimensions 28 by 18 cm. Next, using a pencil and a ruler, mark it 14 cm on the longest side of the paper on both the ends. Draw a thin line joining these two dots marked. Now, fold both sides of the paper in such a way that both the ends touch the line as shown here. Now, the main part of the card is ready. Coming to the front decorations, here I am taking a half-inch paper strips of pink, orange, red, green and yellow colors. Using scissors, cut the strips into triangles. Similarly, I have cut all the colored paper strips. Lay out all the triangles on one side and choose a pattern that you like the most. Using clear glue, stick all the triangle pieces on top of the card one by one. You can use any glue that you have. Rotate the card 180 degrees and do the same on the other half as well. Here, I'm doing an extra step by decorating the card with a ribbon. I'm taking a pink ribbon, thrice the size of the width of the card. Flip the card and attach the ribbon using the glue. Make sure to leave the ribbon with equal lengths on both the sides. Ta-da! The second greeting card is ready. It's simple and fabulous. Coming to the third one, I'm having a yellow card with dimensions 28 by 15 centimeters. Fold this card to half. And take the top half and fold it back into another half. Now take a green paper square of 10 by 10 centimeters and glue half of the green paper on the yellow card, leaving the other half out as shown here. Now decorations time. I'm using a washi tape and sticking it to the folded side of the card as a border. Trim the extra ends if any. On the front side of the card, you can go ahead and decorate as you like. Here I'm sticking a cupcake. I'm using a pink pen to write a happy birthday message. You can also write any messages you like inside the card. The third greeting card is ready. It's so simple and pretty. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. If you do so, please make sure to give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.